Loneliness. Reflection of personal issues. Another manifestation of loneliness stems from your personal conduct. When those around you, including family, are unwilling to engage with you, a sense of loneliness emerges. As an individual, if your thoughts, language, manners, and inner essence are not accepted by others, leading to a reluctance to interact with you, your loneliness is self-inflicted. If you cannot change this situation, you may become socially marginalized. This type of loneliness is not deserving of pity or sympathy, because it arises from your inner world. To alter this condition, the key lies in self-examination and reflecting on your interpersonal skills. By enhancing your personal qualities, and fostering a positive social attitude, you may break free from loneliness, and integrate into a broader social circle.